Amupitan must go. Amupitan must go. Tinubu 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 must go. Coronation. No 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 coronation. You need to report this time. No coronation. No coronation. No coronation. It is not going to happen. Opposition of streets. No coronation. 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 Only election. 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 No coronation. No coronation. Only election. Only election. No coronation. No coronation. Only election. Only election. Only election. No coronation. No coronation. Only election. Only election. No coronation. No coronation. I'm happy. Run now. So what are we doing? Why are you here today? We are outside because Tinubu has decided to go for coronation instead of election. Tinubu has decided to do coronation instead of election. Donald Trump, I know they don't go do juju, but you know they see Nigeria again. Are you seeing what's going on here? Are you seeing? Raima, are you seeing what's going on here? Start again. Can I start again? You are too far from there.
Let's go. Don't worry. Don't go far. Don't start there.
Start again.
Still coming. Yes. Let's go.
I should go.
Okay. Yes. Roll it.
Who go? This is
why are you here today? Don't worry. Let me roll it.
We are here to say no to coronation. Tinubu wants coronation. Hold on for him. Tinubu wants coronation and not election. If not, you will not have 31 governors and still be fidgeting. You are still using INEC as boy. INEC be making rules to make Tinubu look good, to make opposition struggle. If they come here, we escape them. They come here, we escape them. Now we are done running. We are said it will not happen 2027. We are going for elections and not coronation. Tinubu must go for election and not coronation. We are not doing coronation. This is enough. It is either election or election. Enough is enough.
One town government.
Don't come outside. The reason I'm outside today is because they said we should not come outside. We are outside now. We are there. We are the people opposing us. We are there. And so people come outside. Then we bring their own supporters to come outside. But we still get there to pass. Nigerians are outside. Nigerians are asking for just one thing: good governance. And we are going to get that good governance by fire, by force.
Government must go. They are a bunch of criminals. We must join them together to save democracy. Nigeria is the only country we have. No one is going to allow Nigeria. This is our future. We must fight for our future. Tinubu and his government are criminals. INEC Chairman must go.
Security, with the amount of killings and starvation, you think we will fold our hands and let you take our choice? I think this is 2023. We go shock her. We are going to shock Nigeria. We will shock Tinubu. We will shock INEC. We will shock the police. We will shock everybody. Nigerians are fed up. We are tired. You cannot have 32 governors, have the whole judiciary, have the whole Senate, and you are still fidgeting. If you are not a madman, you are a madman. We will climb.
Amupitan, you say come outside. Nigerians, when I say Amupitan, you say come outside. Amupitan, 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 where are you? Amupitan, Amupitan.
So, Peter, what do you want to tell us? Why are you here today?
We are here to save democracy, save our lives by our implication. People who are well-meaning, who believe that Nigeria is worth our time and this country must not collapse, we are here to say no to dictatorship. We are here to say no to criminality in government. Opposition must strive. Yes. The current president came as an opposition. There was President Goodluck Jonathan and PDP. APC was allowed to form. They came from CPC, AD. They did a merger. Today, opposition don't become ruling party. They say all other parties should die. Labour Party, they cripple. PDP, they cripple. ADC, they want to cripple. We say no. We must have our own election in 2027. There will be no Tinubu coronation. You cannot destroy the country and reward yourself with another 4 years. We say never. Our vote must count, democracy must work, and the people must prevail. The power of the people is greater than the criminals in power. That is why we are here. Simple as it is.
Yes, so. Yes, so I still remember myself. Flag boy NG, aka you talk, you die. You no talk, you go still die. All death, na death. You understand? Insecurity, they kill us every day. Hunger, they kill us every day. Yes, unemployment, they ravage the country. Yes, insecurity don't become a normal thing in our country. Yes, when the president shamelessly came out on national television to tell Nigerians that is going to stop insecurity, that is going to give us 24 hours constant light. Yes. The same shameless president traveled to Plateau State, could not even leave the airport. With all the numbers of security that he has, he cannot shamelessly leave the airport. He came out on national television to tell us that Plateau State does not have, their airport does not have light. For that reason, he's not going to spend more than 10 minutes in Plateau State. They had to bring out the families of the victim. He was now shaking them. Isn't that a national disgrace? Whereby you cannot go down to the grassroots to see the people that you suppose it said they elected you into power. We are saying that the mandate of the people must prevail. And it is time for the INEC chairman to come out and tell we Nigerians if he's a party member of APC or if INEC as an institute has become a support group of the APC. And we as well-meaning Nigerians, we are saying no to it because no Nigerian is more Nigerian than any Nigerian. We have been suffering since 2023. We are saying no to it because 2027, what we are coming with is that if INEC chairman should try any form of rigging, my man, this 2027 is rigged and we don't care how we do it. The revolution is coming. The people will stand up and the people must prevail. No amount of military personnel can stop us. No amount of DSS can stop us. We are in democracy. It is within the ambit of the law that we must exercise our franchise. And we must protest. Come it rain or sun, we must protest because we have the chief protester there in Villa. So we must protest. It's a must.
To ensure that you uphold internal democracy, because it seems that this is what may have led to.
No.
What's that?
No, that's not correct. That is entirely false. You see, if you are talking about the ADC, the Rafmosus ADC that transmitted into the ADC, which is ably led by the Senator David Marks, NWC, we uphold internal democracy at its highest. In fact, what you are saying is as a result of the G3 of the ruling APC, which is led by the incompetent Bola Ahmed Tinubu to ensure that he is coronated as the president. And so they have sponsored crisis. Look at the PDP, it is almost gone. In fact, even the NDC that was registered which they are already in court. So these are the handiworks of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu and the APC. And Nigerians are not unaware of these tendencies. So it has nothing to do with internal democracy or what have you, because we have done everything by the books. And even INEC itself, if you check the records, have even issued a CTC to the fact that David Mark led NWC stands. So why do they have to, on what basis did they change narratives overnight?
I agree. Don't you also agree that it's a lack of capacity to resolve this issue.
It has nothing to do with lack of capacity to resolve these issues. If you look at the trajectory of Senator David Mark, even as the 6th and 7th president of the president of the 6th and 7th Senate, you saw how he meticulously managed that assembly of diverse people. But what we have today is a situation where the governor, the ruling party and the government of the day has deliberately threatened people to ensure that they hold down opposition parties so that they can be coronated into power. And then it is not everybody that has the power or the abilities to resist some of these issues. Most of them are being carried away or swayed by the monetary gains or the material gains that comes with all of these things. But we will resist them. They are just minute in number.
Sir, finally, what does this reveal about the challenges facing opposition party in Nigeria?
I think you cannot completely say that the opposition parties are not facing serious challenges, because as you can see, nearly all political parties are having serious challenges because the ruling party are hell-bent on stifling democracy in Nigeria. They want a situation where it will just be a one-party system so that the presidency can be a coronation, a kind of family affair. But Nigerians are aware of these issues and they will rally behind credible opposition parties to ensure that they resist all this evil.
Thank you. Your name is what?